The University of Illinois is one of the top engineering schools in the country. They've got 7 different research institutions, one of them specifically focused on aging and technology. So a lot of what they're doing aligns with the AARP mission. We will have up to 16 students every semester. I do a lot of recruiting on campus, and then I will get a lot of referrals from other students that have worked here too. I'm not necessarily just looking at their technical abilities, but I'm also looking for other things like passion and leadership.
My best friend introduced me to Miranda, and that's how I got my interview, and I heard about the VR project, and I was like, yeah, this would be a really cool place. We actually just completed our testing, so we now know what problems are we're going back to solve and see what we can change within this flow.
I already kind of knew about AARP because my parents are kind of like older, so they're 60s right now. I like their mission, so I kind of wanted to see what they were doing and like what kind of projects they're into. I always had a positive outlook for aging.
AARP aligns with my mission of developing something cool for people who don't have access to this kind of technologies.
I think the TechNest is so collaborative. The projects are great. They're very futuristic, I think. And that's what I wanted to try my hands out at, like NLP, machine learning, things of that sort.
I solicit work from all over the organization, so I'm constantly talking with business partners, looking for prototyped solutions. Right now, I have 15 students working on 6 different projects. We get a really unbiased perspective from the students. They're hired in here to just create a prototype. So the idea isn't theirs. They're going to just test it and see if it will work. The other thing that you get working with the TechNest is you can really easily create interdisciplinary teams. So for a virtual reality project that we're working on right now, we actually have a virtual reality developer, we have a graphic designer that's working on the designs for it, and we have a physics/art major who is working on the overall experience for it.
Yeah, until I asked Miranda, hey, is there a thing you can do here?
You probably have to contact the help desk.
Target market is 60-year-olds that have some exposure with VR. There's 3 skills: pet giving and having ownership of a pet, cooking, and gardening. So it's these 3 things have health benefits within the brain itself, presenting the information in a 360 manner, which is found to be more engaging and interactive and create something that's lasting. The crux of our project being that you will have 3 videos and you can learn the content and how it connects to the brain health.
Basically what we're trying to do is we're trying to automate matching AARP members according to what they say in the NPS survey.
We are creating some sort of process that would automatically understand what member is writing about, and their feedback has been heard.
And it also helps save about like 2 months worth of time going through something manually that can be done automatically.
When the projects are complete, we consider them prototypes. We do an end of semester showcase, and then we give the code, we give all of the documentation that we have completed back to our business partners. And our business partners will then decide what the next steps are. One of the best things about working at the TechNest is working with the students. They come in with a fresh mindset. They come in excited to tackle the projects that they're working on every day. So that's a really awesome environment to be around.
It's actually motivated me to take it a little bit further and do something on my own.
This really requires me to build empathy, and you have the opportunity to make something that actually makes an impact, and so getting really deep into that is what I probably take forward.